life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Yes, she caught my eye as we walked on by. She could see from my face that I was flying high, and I don't think that I'll see her again, but we shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. There must be an angel with a smile on her face when she thought up that I should be with you. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you.
Ay, Mama. Sana magustuhan itong ginawa namin para sa'yo. Happy birthday. Stay in good health. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung blessing sa pamilya natin. At yun lang, happy birthday. I love you.
Ikaw, Ikay.
Mama, sana magkompleto pa din yung natin pamilya, wala mawawala. Yun lang po. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Jing. Sana huwag ka susuko sa lahat ng pagsubok. Ganun lang.
I-wish niyo po kayo dyan.
Ganun. Laging walang sakit. Para tuloy-tuloy ang maghahanap buhay niya. Para sa mga anak niya. Ito, nakikita niya naman. Lulusog. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Lakasan mo. Ay, hindi na nagsalita.
Naging pipi na tayo.
Sabay-sabay kayo. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy
Sana
birthday,
marami
Ging.
pang kaarawan. Happy birthday.
Ano nang talo naman itong isa?
Sana magkabuo-buo yung pamilya natin. Magkita-kita tayo.
Eh, nagkikita-kita
Happy
na
birthday,
tayo.
Mama.
Birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Okay.
Yay!
Yan.
Okay.
Hindi ka na nagsalita, Tito.
Ito si tita. Tita, ikaw birthday wish mo.
At Ate Mani, mag-wish ka na.
Ate na lang yan, hindi na.
Ikaw, salita ka na.
Happy birthday, tita. Sana lagi kang mabait, ganyan. Tas, sana lagi kang malusog, saka hindi nagkakasakit. Yun lang, happy birthday. Thank you.
Yay! Very well said.